Hello friends, this is Amit Ranjan and you are watching your favorite channel Java Mitra.
So let us see it by an example. For this I will use ArrayList. Most easiest and most popular class we have is ArrayList. So we will test the whole concept adding, removing with the help of ArrayList. So let us go. So I'm creating a class ABC and then a main method. So I have a class ABC with its main method and we need to import java.util package because we are going to use ArrayList. So let us create a reference list and call the default constructor to create an object. So we have an object and now we can add any item in list. So let me add some item in a string form. The signature of add method is public. Then what was the signature? It is public boolean add and an object type of element. Public boolean add and then object type of element. So any object we can pass. So let me add items of a string object. So we have 3 items added in our list. So let me show you that how can we know that how much items are there in our list. Simply calling list dot size. Let me show you by compilation. This is just a warning and why I will show you how to resolve this, but our program is compiled successfully and let me execute this program. 3. Size equal to 3. So we have added 3 items and we can simply call size method to get the size of collection object. Inside array we can have, if I will create a string array. Now first of all I need to say the size. That means the array will have a fixed size. Array list is flexible. You can add any number of items at any time. Second thing, you can add only string object here in array. In case of array, you can only add a string object. But in case of list, since the element type is object, so you can add any type of object. It may be student object, it may be string object, it may be date object. So this is the flexibility given by the collection, that any type of object you can hold in your list and any number of object you can hold. In case of array, the length is fixed, so it is static in size. But ArrayList has a dynamic in size. You can add any number of objects. In case of array, we can get the size with the help of length property, and in ArrayList we can get the size with the help of size method. So now we can add more items. So anytime you can add multiple objects and the size will be increased. You do not need to worry about the size before adding elements, just as we have to do in case of array. Second thing, we can remove items. So actually what is the role of this boolean type? So to see this, I am just displaying the output. List.add Ganesha will definitely return a boolean value, either true or false. So let me show you what it is returning. True. So whenever an item will be added into your list, it will return true. And what if I want to remove? Just tell list.remove and the item object. Suppose I want to delete Krishna, and then let me show you the size after removal. To remove size was becomes 3. So anytime you can add item, anytime you can remove item from the list. Okay. If you want to search that whether certain items is present or not, then how to do this? Before removing and after removing, I will search that whether Krishna item is present in our collection object or not. So let me show you this system.out.println and list dot contains Krishna. So here I am trying to search that whether the string object with the value of Krishna present in our list or not, and the same statement is after removing the item. So let me compile and run. Krishna present is equal to true. After remove, size is 3 and Krishna present is equal to false. That means the item is removed from the list very easily. Okay.